If your Little Giant APCP1700 pool cover pump seems to have stopped working or sounds like it's running but no water is pumping, there is a simple solution that you can try that may get it back up and running. Before we begin, make sure your pump is unplugged from the outlet. Occasionally, the airlock can gather debris or buildup and require cleaning. We recommend doing this at least once a year to make sure it's running smoothly. To get started, remove the blue cover. You will want to locate the airlock relief port. You can find it directly above the discharge. Check for any debris that may have lodged itself in the port. Use a small tool, such as a toothpick, unfolded paper clip, or small screwdriver to remove the debris and reattach the lid. To test whether this has corrected your issue, fill a bucket with enough water to cover the pump. Place the pump inside and plug it in to verify it is working. Be sure to visit your local dealer or purchase your Little Giant pool products online. Thanks for choosing Little Giant.